Hello, students. This video is about how to create your infographic evolution timeline using a different software that we're going to use for the first time. So let's get started. I'm going to share my screen so that, so this is the timeline maker. Okay, so the scaffold that you are being provided has the link for this Venngage.com infographic timelines. So when you click on that link, this will bring you to this web page. Now, when you click on start creating for free, let's do that. It's taking a little bit of time. Sometimes it may ask you to sign up, or it may ask you to log in using your Gmail or any other account. So you can put in your details and then it will let you come to this page. Now, first of all, it wants us to choose some template. Now, because we are creating a timeline, so maybe you can say recommended. See, so when you go recommended, it gives you few options of timeline. So maybe this is also a good option of timeline. This is also a good option of timeline. This is also good. So there are a few different options from which you can choose. You can pick and choose any template that you want to play around with. The only thing I want to see you create in your infographic is pick a template which has space to write the year, and then it gives you to write some specification of that particular organism as well. So for example, this template, I just used this one to show you how we're going to do it. So click create, and then it will let you edit this template. For example, this template. So it's very easy to use. This software is very user friendly. So when you just need to click here and it says timeline. So instead of timeline, I'm just gonna add evolution timeline, right? And then you can see, you can just drag it, or maybe you select this whole thing, and then you can say, you can decrease the size because it's too big. So you can say 52. Yeah, so that looks nice. And then you can bring it in the middle. So it's very user friendly. It's just as you are using Word, and kind of a combination of Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint. And then you can change this wording to, because we are kind of researching and making a timeline on unicellular, multicellular, and colonial organism. So you can say unicellular, multicellular, and colonial organisms. Yep, so you can leave like that. And then here, see, so in your scaffold, you don't have to make a very massive timeline. You are being given 6 different organisms, and you will be researching only on that 6 different organisms. So I am assuming the organisms are multicellular organism, colonial organism, and autotrophic prokaryotes, and heterotrophic prokaryote, and membranes. So here, when you click on here, it will let you edit the year. And as you can see, this timeline, it's going from the previous years to the most recent years. So you have to stick to that format. You go, like for this one, maybe you say 4.5 billion years ago, and then you can drag this a little bit so that it comes in one line. Yeah, you can do that. And then instead, okay, so 4.5, and then here you can say 2.5, 1.5, 0.5 billion years ago. So you go from the previous years to the most recent years. You go, you follow that structure. Now, instead, and here you can just edit all the things. So here, 4.5 billion years ago, you can just say, here you can say autotrophic prokaryote. Yeah, okay, something like that. And then here you can move this down a little bit so that you can say, I'm sorry, I have made a spelling mistake. That's fine, corrected. And then you add the features here. You can edit this whole thing and you can add some more features here. And instead of this LinkedIn image, you can just say, delete. I just press the button delete. You can move this little circle here, and instead of the image that was there, you just delete that, and then you paste any image that you can download from internet. So for adding image, you just have to say image uploads, and then you drag the image that you have saved in your desktop, and then it will help you upload that image here. So this will give a pretty much nice picture about, okay, so autotrophic prokaryotes, blah, 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 blah. They prepare their food and with the help of sunlight, and what are their distinctive features you can add, what are the characteristics you can add here, and then add a picture here, and then they occurred 4.5 billion years ago, something like that. And then you go following the same structure, you edit this timeline. Once you are done editing, now I'm just going to show you how to save. So once you're done editing, you just go say download. So when you say download, it gives you the option of free downloading. You go and say free downloading, and then it's done. So see, it lets you see it's downloading here as a image, and once you open that, see it gives you an image. Doesn't matter, it has watermark of Venngage web page, it's fine. And when you download it, save it in your desktop, and then you will have to present that image in front of the class when you are done with their timeline. I hope this video helps, and if you have any queries, I'm always there, and you can give me a shout, ask me any questions. Okay.